Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English learning channel. Want to speak English like a native? Today's video will help you do exactly that using the shadowing technique. Here's how it works. I'll tell you an amazing story sentence by sentence. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Copy my voice, rhythm, and speed. This will boost your speaking and listening skills naturally. Plus, you'll learn new vocabulary. Every important word is highlighted in blue with its meaning. Today's story is about a girl who thinks her friend's boyfriend is cheating. But things aren't always what they seem. Ready? Let's start.
It's Saturday. My best friend Luna is at work. Her boyfriend Lucas is a doctor. He works at a big hospital. I am walking near the shopping center. I don't plan to go inside. But something strange happens. I see someone familiar. It's Lucas. He is not at the hospital. He is not alone. He is with a girl. They are walking close together. They stop and talk. They look happy. Then he gives her something, a small box. She takes it and smiles. What is inside the box? A gift? Jewelry? Why is he giving her a box? I don't understand. He never tells Luna anything about this girl. I remember Luna telling me, Lucas is always busy at work. We don't go out much now. Now I see him smiling with another girl, giving her a gift, laughing like they are more than friends. Is this normal? Do you think it's okay? I try to think of another explanation, but I can't find one. He is not at work. He is not with Luna. He is not acting like a doctor. He is acting like a boyfriend. Who is this girl? Should I tell Luna? Or maybe I'm wrong. But what if I don't say anything and she gets hurt later? Have you ever seen something like this before? What would you do? I don't want to make problems. But I also don't want my best friend to cry. I feel confused. But one thing is clear, I need to do something. I take out my phone. I take a photo. I don't like doing this, but I want proof. What if she doesn't believe me? Lucas walks away with the girl. I stand there thinking, what just happened? Now I have a photo. I have a question. I have a secret. Do you think I should tell Luna? Let's find out what happens next. I walk home. I look at the photo on my phone again and again. It's clear. It's real. Lucas is giving a gift to another girl. I try to stop thinking about it, but I can't. My mind is full of questions. Who is she? Why is he with her? What does this mean? Luna sends me a message. She says, "Hey, are you free tomorrow? Let's have lunch." I don't know what to say. I type, "Yes," but my hands feel strange. The next day comes. I go to Luna's house. She opens the door and smiles. She doesn't know anything. She is happy. We sit at the table. She gives me juice. She talks about her job. She says, Lucas is tired from work. He has a lot of patience. I want to scream, but I stay quiet. I wait. I listen. Then she asks, Are you okay? I take a deep breath. I say, Luna, I saw Lucas yesterday. She looks at me. Oh.
Yeah.
Where? I take my phone. I open the photo. I say, he was with a girl and he gave her a gift. She stops smiling. She looks at the photo. She doesn't speak. Then she says, Who is that? I say, I don't know, but they look close. Luna stays quiet. She looks at me. I feel nervous. I feel like I did something wrong. But why? I'm trying to help, she says. Why did you take a photo? I say, because I didn't want to guess. I wanted you to see it for yourself. Now she looks confused. I think she's upset. Maybe she thinks I'm making trouble. Maybe she doesn't believe me. I ask her, Do you know that girl? She shakes her head. No, I've never seen her. Now I feel worse. Did I just break their trust? Did I do the right thing? Or did I just make everything worse? Would you do the same? Would you show the photo or stay silent? This is not what I expected. And it's not over yet. What happens next will surprise you. Luna doesn't say much. She just looks at the photo again. Then she says, I need to ask him. She picks up her phone. She doesn't call. She just sends a message. Can you come to my house now? I sit there. I don't know what to do. Should I leave? Should I stay? She says, You can stay. I want him to explain this to both of us. My heart starts to beat faster. What if he lies? What if he says I'm making everything up? 10 minutes later, the doorbell rings. Luna stands up. She opens the door. It's Lucas. And he's not alone. He walks in. Behind him is the same girl from the photo. Luna looks at Lucas. Then she looks at me. Then she looks at the girl. I freeze. Lucas says, Hi, what's going on? Luna shows him the photo. He looks at it and starts to laugh. Wait, laugh. Then the girl looks at me and says, Oh, you're Luna's friend. I feel confused. She knows Luna. Then, Lucas says something I don't expect. This is my sister Isabella. She came from Chicago this week. I wanted to surprise Luna tomorrow. That's why we didn't say anything. His sister? I feel something in my head go blank. I ask, your sister? Isabella smiles. Yes, Lucas told me a lot about Luna. I wanted to meet her soon. Now Luna starts to laugh. Lucas says, why did you take a photo of us? I don't know what to say. Everything feels like a bad dream. What would you do if this happened to you? Have you ever made a big mistake because you didn't know the full story? I feel my face turning red. Lucas is not angry. Luna is not angry. Isabella is smiling, but I feel like the floor is opening under my feet. I just want to disappear. What will I say now? Let's see in the next part. I sit on the couch. I don't move. I don't speak. Lucas is drinking water. Isabella is talking with Luna. Everyone seems calm except me. I finally say, I'm sorry. I really thought something was wrong. Luna looks at me and says, it's okay. You were just trying to protect me. I say, I didn't know she was your sister. I just saw the gift and the smile, and I got scared. Lucas laughs again. The gift was a necklace from our mom. Isabella lost hers, so I brought a new one from the store. A necklace from their mom. I feel worse now. Isabella says, don't worry. It's actually kind of funny now, but I understand how it looked. Luna says, next time, just ask me first. Okay. I nod. Yes, next time I will ask before jumping to conclusions. Lucas says, well, at least now we know you care a lot about Luna. We all laugh a little. Just a little. But inside I still feel a bit silly. Have you ever made a mistake like this? Did you ever think something bad, but it was not true? Sometimes things are not what they look like. Sometimes we think we know the story, but we don't. Sometimes we need to ask before we act. I learned something today. I learned that even good intentions can cause confusion. I learned that asking one question can save a big problem. I learned that saying sorry is not a weakness. It's the start of peace. And now, I will always remember this lesson.